Hello everyone, this is Own Wall Street with the TradersPerspective.com, taking a look at gold, starting off the analysis on the weekly time frame. Starting off this analysis to kind of see exactly what's been happening, and you can see that we had a very nice strong week. We had a big bearish, bullish reversal here, but still overly bearish candlestick to close out the week. Now, if we look a little bit to the left here, you can see that this does repeat itself right back here. So we have an almost identical situation. Just the wick was a little bit taller on the top. So if history is to repeat itself, then we are going to be looking for, price to kind of retrace a little bit. Now, if we drop down to the daily time frame and kind of take things in the context of what's been happening here, so we had this, very strong move coming back up. We tested the breakout, with this downtrend line here. Um, it's going to be interesting to see what happens as far as this trend line holding up. So that is actually going to be a very big indication of what happens. So I'll get into it right now. So we had a very nice move overall. Just to state the obvious, we had a very nice move. Down, up, and now down again is where we're going to be heading. Now, how far down? That is going to be the question of the hour. So looking at this candlestick here, this is quite a bearish candle, and we will be heading lower. So the question of where is going to be the question of the hour as far as, do we hold this level here at around 1270, or do we push lower and, basically test that breakout once again by bumping this Fibonacci level here. It is my belief that if we're going to have a nice solid move with gold heading into the next couple weeks or so, we are going to basically need to consolidate in here. So regardless of this aggressive uptrend line here, I mean, if I drop down to the 4-hour time frame here, you'll see that the price, had a very nice strong move up, a nice strong pullback here, and we've been managing to hold this 50 period simple moving average. So it looks like my moving averages are going to start setting up a bearish cross here again. The candle alone, tells me that we are in for a little bit of a pullback, at least to this 1280 level or so. But once that breaks, which I'm pretty sure it will, we'll head down to this 1272 level, and then you're going to really want to see this hold. If gold is going to continue to kind of move up higher aggressively, and if there is a lot of fear out there in the marketplace, which there does seem to be at this moment in time, you just really want to see either this trend line hold or this 1270 level hold. I mean, these are basically the two crucial areas. So that's what I'll be looking for myself before we have any type of retest to these 1297, 1300 areas here. So watch for this 4-hour trend line to hold. If it fails, then look for this 1270 level or so to hold, plus or minus 1270, 1272. And that'll be the indication that gold is going to be consolidating here before another thrust up. Otherwise, if we do have a failure and we do have a pullback, then we could basically drift, like I said, down to this Fibonacci level here around this 1250 area, and then we'll see a nice strong move upwards. So that's what I'll be looking for this week at least. And for the first half of the week, I expect further price retracement from the highs here. So watch for that trend line, and if that does fail, then you'll be looking at price to kind of come down to this 1250 level to test this previously broken major downtrend line here. So again, I'm advocating for some more price consolidation before we do see further highs. It was a nice push by the bulls to get above this Fibonacci level here, but it was a bit premature. So we're going to be seeing price retrace a little bit and then consolidate, and then potentially head higher in this next couple weeks here. So I'll update you all on Wednesday with a better idea of what's going to be happening. I'm Own Wall Street. This has been a presentation by the TradersPerspective.com.